bang.
I beg your pardon?
Bam.
Okay, what are we going to do now?
Go.
Go? Shall I put on the noisy motor and we'll go fast? Yeah, alright, here we go. Hold on to your hat. Good job. Are you ready, Freddy? Hey? You are ready? Okay, here we go. Who's going to catch the first fish?
I think me.
You are? Okay, we better go quick then. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On the marks. Set.
Go.
Go. My little buddy.
That white one is really silver.
Hey?
That white one is silver.
Yeah, that plane's silver.
And that one is white.
Which, oh yeah, there is a white one. There's a big silver one and a little white one, eh?
Yes, and I see a little white one beside the white one.
Ah. Should we put down the quiet motor?
Sure.
Okay. When do you think it's going to come on?
I think when it's dark out.
Yeah. What, that one over there on the corner?
Yeah, that one.
It's like a big light, isn't it?
Dad,
Yeah.
we're turning to the rock.
Oh, we're turning to the rocks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see the crocodile rock. Can you see it over there?
Let's go to the swing.
Okay, should we head over towards the light?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Where's yours?
There.
Look at that. Awesome.
Dad, this makes a good noise.
It's like a little guitar, isn't it? Hey, did you check your line? Check your line.
Which one?
There it is, by the side of the boat. Just grab hold of the fishing line. You see it?
Right there?
No. By your rod. Where's your rod? In the holder yet? Just check the line. Any fishes on there?
Yep.
Okay. What are you going to do with those?
Go in the lake.
Why? Feed the fish?
1, 2, 3. It just went off the diving board.
You're funny. I think we're okay.
But we're going backwards.
We are. Should we go forwards a little bit?
Yeah.
There we go. We're going forward a little bit. Okay? What are you singing, bud?
I'm singing a minnow song.
A minnow song? That's a good song, man. I like it.
Now look at Colin.
Let me see him.
No.
Yeah, he's a little...
Mwah.
Ah! Kiss the minnow. I love you, baby.
See little?
Yeah. Gonna kiss him?
Mwah.
You're a dude. Look behind you, look. There he is. He's gonna get your goldfish, watch. Do you think they'll come and get him?
Oh, look at those two ones.
Look at this guy coming. He might get it. They're thinking about it.
Yeah.
You think what? What did you say?
Goodbye, Stingley.
That's the one that did what?
That's the one that ate my goldfish. Dad, look, they're landing for one. Is just landed for my goldfish.
I think if we move away, they might come and get it.
Dad, no, those are just on the lawn.
That's pretty cool. They're coming really close, aren't they?
That seagull just drank some lake water. Seagull, don't drink lake water.
It's a pelican. Look, should we go closer and see if we can see it?
Yeah, I don't know where the pelican is.
I'll show you. Oh, I hope this boat doesn't scare the pelican away. Check this guy out. Let's go see the pelican. There's a pelican. Can you see the big one?
Yeah, that big one.
That big one is a pelican, dude. How cool is that?
Ooh,
How cool is that?
we're getting into the seagull's boat.
Hi, pelican.
Where's the seagull gone?
I don't know. The pelican's over there still, look. He's still over there, he's just floating around. Maybe he wants some of your goldfish crackers. Okay.
Oh, there's that seagull. I was looking for it.
Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Maybe he wants one of your goldfish crackers there. Why don't you get him one?
Well, I got one.
Oh, have you? You better throw it to him then.
Okay. Help. Seagull.
Throw it.
Seagull. Seagull. Come here. Time for your breakfast. Oh, come.
Well, throw it. Maybe he'll come.
He just went in there.
You did what?
I tried to throw him in the lake, but he went in there.
Oh, can you pick him up?
I can't,
Why?
because the fishing rod is in the way.
Oh.
And the paddle,
Oh.
so I can't get him out.
Oh dear. What are we going to do?
I don't know. I picked that, minnow. I picked that minnow for the lake to swim to the seagulls.
How does he swim? Show me that again.
He has to swim over to the seagulls. Giggling! Stop giggling, minnows!
I've never heard a minnow giggle before. What does it sound like?
Wet.
What kind of fish do you think it is? A monster fish? I don't know. I think it could be a walleye. I think it's a little walleye, Jack. Oh no, it's a little monster fish. You were right. Look.
Yeah, oh,
Whoa.
he's nice.
Whoa.
Pretty.
Is he nice and pretty?
See those stripes on him?
Do you like the stripes on him?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's good.
Should we let him go?
No, I'm gonna kiss him.
You're gonna kiss him?
Huh.
Oh, that's very kind. Say see you later.
See you later.
Good job, bud.
Dad, one of these minnows might be special.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dad, now the net is not getting.
No.
What was that noise?
It's another boat.
Get the key. Dad, okay. Dad, okay.
Look at your sleeve, man.
Dad, okay. Dad, catch a minnow, please.
You catch one. You got the net.
Yeah. Now look at them. They're all set. Dad, look. The one we put.
Why don't you make your drawbridge again so they don't die?
Dad, want to see me put one on the lid?
Go on then.
When I close it, it
Okay.
will just drop in the water.
Oh, alright, show me that. Okay. Good job.
Guys,
Hey?
it's just my size.
Yeah, it's just a little guy.
Just my size.
He was pretty hungry, that one, hey?
Let me have them.
Can you get him with both hands? Be careful, they're wiggly.
Dad.
Whoa! Told you they were wiggly.
Dad, get off the hook also.
Okay. Okay, hold him. Whoa! Hold him with 2 hands if you're going to hold him. Okay. Okay. Underneath there. Okay, and the other one. You're okay. And the other one. Underneath. Oh, now. Kiss him.
Just pretend.
Just pretend. Whoa, good shot! 5s.
Now he's gone. You can't see him anymore.
No, he's gone. Good job, bud. Reel and jig, and then you might catch one. How do you jig? Show me. Yep, that's good. Reel it a little bit quicker. Awesome job. Good skills. Good job, you're doing a good one. Keep reeling. Oh.
I think I caught one.
You think you caught one?
Yeah. Dad, get it.
Have you got one?
Yeah.
Really? Awesome. Oh, I think you got a snag, dude. Here, hold the camera. You film Dad. Point the camera at Dad.
I don't. Dad, where are you?
Hi. Good job, buddy. Are we nearly off?
That I can't see you.
Oh, we got a really good snag, man. Okay. There we go. Hi. Yeah, reel, reel, reel.
And what are those things over at the trees?
Yeah.
Are they something?
No, I don't think so.
Are they caves?
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
That does look a bit like a cave, doesn't it? Good eyes.
Those
Maybe a bear lives in there, hey? Is that good? Is that good or something?
No.
Monkey man.
Dad, I just saw some fireworks flashing.
Really?
See them there?
No, I didn't see any over there. Is it a big one?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're 2 big ones and 2 little ones.
oh, that's cool. Hey, I've got a little bite. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, it is a little fish, Jack. Here we go. I'm gonna get it in. Ready?
What?
Did you catch one?
I know. Very real. Oh, I think I'm stuck.
Oh, you are stuck. You've reeled it all the way. Good job. Should we go home now?
I'm stuck.
Yeah, I'll help you in a sec. Should we go home now?